let's invite our students on stage to present the DPS school information and special assembly news.
Through friendship, through sovereign speeches, the assembly strengthened the bond among students.
The assembly focused on the power, energy, and responsibility of youth. Students delivered speeches on youth leadership and global change.
Students showcased the sacred bond between brothers and sisters. The assembly beautifully reflected Indian tradition and harmony. The assembly aimed to ensure the road safety awareness among students. A skit demonstrated the importance of obeying traffic signals and wearing helmets. Students displayed charts and slogans on safe driving. It encouraged everyone to follow the traffic rules and our safe community.
The assembly educated students about the importance of internet in modern life. Students presented key facts, benefits, and safety measures using the web. A short skit highlighted cyber safety. The assembly promoted responsible and productive digital usage.
Students celebrate the festival of trees by spreading awareness about afforestation. A melodious song and a short kit urge everyone to plant more trees. The assembly reinforced the message of protecting nature. World Population Day Assembly was held in school. The assembly focused on issues related to overpopulation and sustainable development. Students presented charts and slogans highlighting lower concerns. A speech emphasized responsible behavior and awareness. It encouraged students to contribute to a balanced and mindful society. Students honored Nelson Mandela, legacy of peace, justice, and equality. A powerful narration showcased his struggle against apartheid. The assembly included inspirational quotes and a pledge to uphold human rights. It inspired students to stand for truth and fairness.
The assembly celebrated the Chartered Accountants Day by highlighting the roles of CAs in the nation's financial system. Students shared informative facts about accounting and economic discipline. A small quiz engaged the audience. The assembly promoted financial awareness among all students.
Labor Day Assembly was held on May 1st. The assembly honored the hard work and dedication of laborers. The students performed a skit showcasing the dignity of laborers. All the helpers were honored with gratitude cards. This event encouraged the students to respect every profession and value the hard work.
Students acknowledge the selfless service of doctors through a special assembly on National Doctors' Day. A role play depicted the importance of medical professionals in society. They expressed gratitude for care, service, and dedication. The assembly inspired students to understand the value of health and empathy.
Students paid tribute to social reformer Jyotiba Phule through a thoughtful presentation. They shared his work towards women's education and eradication of social evils. A group song added grace to the assembly. The message of equality and reform was emphasized to all.
A special assembly was organized on Ambedkar Jayanti. This assembly highlights the life and contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of our Indian Constitution. Students presented different kind of skits and speeches. These speeches tell the main motive of importance of education and empowerment in our life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, students.